Oh yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Get that popcorn ready. Because you know what time it is. Like a rock, I was strong as I could. Like a rock, the Like a Rock boys are in the building, ready to act a bona fide fool. And when I say Like a Rock boys, I'm talking about the Chevy pickup truck boys out here doing what they love to do, making those toes touch the fire and those feet touch the pavement. Can the boys in blue come those Like a Rock boys down? Or would the Like a Rock boys take that mighty, mighty, raggedy pickup truck, light it on fire, and say, devil, get in, we about to go mudding in hell, and make the boys in blue look like clowns? Let's have a reaction. Action. Let's get sinister, Like a Rock boy style. Old school. What's that about that look like a 2021 from the light. I mean, not a 2021, a 2010, 2011, 2500 Chevy. Pull over, punk. We just wanna talk. Oh, he pulling, he ain't going nowhere? He gone? Yeah, but do. Body on earth, foot in hell. Here come my Like a Rock foot devil. I hope you're ready. He going off road off the gate. He said, you can't follow me in here, copper. Oh, he bold with it. He riding it through people's yard. He don't care. We got ourselves a menace to society. Cop car sound like a V8. He might have a RT. Come on, Leroy. Let's not do this.
Right now, we're maintaining about a 60, but get your stop 6 out. We just passed new factory shows.
He said speeds on the high. They doing 60 miles an hour. Calm down. Calm down, Burt Reynolds. Officer
Coming up to
Kamniski.
we're passing Aiken Way right now. Aiken Way.
Officer Kamniski ready for action. He said, get the stop sticks ready.
Looks like the subject has a baseball cap on. It has a right blinker on to get on Fincher.
Oh, whoever had the stop sticks out, you're fired. You're fired. The worst stop stick job I ever seen in my life. If that wasn't the most obvious.
We're coming up to 36 212. He's probably gonna take a left on 212.
In the old school Chevy, heavy Chevy. Ain't nothing but Bubba, man. He been drinking moonshine all day. Dookie juice. He tricked him. He thought he was gonna cut him off. Got you, bitch. He thought he was gonna cut him off. Man, I'm going straight. Try again, copper. Bubba been drinking Dookie juice all day. You think that was gonna get him? Wife talk about leaving him. He can't find no work. Bubba going off the edge. They trying to take his truck. He been paying on it for the last 8 years. I feel you, Bubba, man. We all going through some struggles, baby. For that to be an older truck, it looked like it's in pretty good condition. Good old work truck right there. 2500. Oh, so he in the Durango. The officer behind him is in the Durango.
He's blocking my pits.
As he should be blocking your pits. You think he just gonna let you pit him? Come on, man. You try to make it too easy. You gonna earn your paycheck today, copper.
White male, brown beard, ball cap.
I knew it was a Bubba. A Chad Ookie. Pookie don't do 2500s, man. We do raggedy 1500 Rams. Us Pookies, the regular Pookie, we do raggedy 1500 Rams, man. We don't do 2500s. Those are Chad Ookies. I like how he holding him off. He said, if you gonna pit me, you gonna have to go off the road to do it. I'm too strong. I was a linebacker in high school. I'm too strong. Wow, that bumper was pretty much put on pretty cheaply. I didn't know them bumpers was that cheaply put on. Come on, man, we gotta cut Bubba slack, man. Peggy Sue talking about leaving him. She cheating on him with a Leroy. She getting a BBC. He said, I can't take this no more. I'm about to go out here and act a fool. Come on, Bubba, let's go back to the station. We got coffee at the station, man. You've been out drinking all night. Come on back to the station with us, baby. Man, them Chevys ain't nothing to play with. Them old school, I ain't gonna say old school, older model Chevys, 2010s, built to last. Oh, he's going off-road on him. Let's see if you can do this, copper. Look at the Durango right behind him, though. Bubba said, let's see if you can go off-road with me.
Going southeast on top.
Oh, what happened?
1050.
Oh, he getting footy. Pick up toes. 6.2 liter toes. Allison transmission feet.
Hands up! I don't see him.
Oh, they don't see him?
Watch yourself. I got high.
Doors open, you sitting at your foot.
He getting footy on him. The legendary Chevy toes. Ain't nothing like a set of legendary Chevy toes, man. Like a rock. I was fast as I could be. Like a rock. The Like a Rock boys, I love you.
There's a road nearby.
Is he that fast?
Yeah.
He was wearing a camo hoodie.
He got footy on him like that? Bubba got that track star speed, man. I told y'all he played linebacker in high school. He was fast. Fast and powerful. Like his truck.
Hey, Monroe, get Monroe's K9, dude. He's a Doorville at training. Come on, let's just track.
Nah, y'all ain't catching him. He a legend. He legendary with the feet. He legendary out back on them feet, man.
No, he didn't go this way.
They said he's got Allison transmission toes.
Fucking pissing me off, dude.
You pissed off?
I don't know.
Do something about it, punk. They can't catch him on the feet, man.
How about that Durango, though?
How about what Durango? Y'all still ain't caught him. He on foot. What that Durango doing for you right now? Nothing.
I'm gonna go home. That's why I went left.
He in Narnia right now, man. He fighting with the Prince of Persia. He's seen successfully led troopers. Oh, they called him. Look, I told y'all, Chad Ookie, a.k.a. Bubba. Shout out to Bubba, man. We love you, baby. Meet me in the comments. Listen here, man. Ain't nothing like a 2500 Chevy. Ain't nothing like a 2500 Chevy from the 2010s. This is like it was a 2011, 2010 big boy monster. Built to last. Built to put belt to... You know what I'm talking about, man. He thought about pulling over right here. He's like, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and pull over. I know Peggy Sue cheating on me, but I'm going to pull over, man. It ain't even worth it. Then he said, you know what? I ain't pulling over. Put the tobacco in his lips and said, I'm out of here. Definitely was a great chase, man. He definitely used that truck to what it was supposed to be used for. Most people getting pickup trucks, they don't seem to like use them. See, going off-road. I know that ain't no heavy-duty off-roading, but the cop can't go behind him in that Charger. He knew what he doing. He knew what he was doing. Most people, when they be in their trucks, they be acting like they scared to go off-road, like the truck ain't built to do a little bit of off-roading. Like it is, if you got a four-wheel drive monster, especially when you're in a 2500, it's already lifted up a little bit, so you can do a little off-roading in a 2500. It's just a lot of people, when they be running in these trucks, they don't realize that they got the advantage. They can hit those fields. Because a lot of things that they can do that the regular cruisers can't do. Even that Durango really couldn't follow this truck if he would have did it. If he would have got over that last little hump. Let me see. I'll show y'all what I'm talking about. This is where he went off road. See how the Durango trying to keep up with him? But the Durango wouldn't have been able to keep up with him. See how Luke, he pulling off on it? If he can get off of over this last little hill right here, he would have got away. He got stuck right there. That's the only reason he got caught. I don't know if he ran into something that's made him get stuck, but if he could have kept going, there's no way the Durango would have been able to keep up with him. He just got stuck. He had probably hit something, probably was a stump or something that he ran into, probably tore the bottom end of that bad boy up or something. But I believe he would have got away if he could have just got over that last little hill. But it is what it is, man. Meet me in the comments, man. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this police chase reaction video. Y'all enjoyed it. Shout out to State Boys again. Shout out to State Boys. Go support them. Go show them some love. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I gave you 3 videos today. It's the 3rd one I'm giving you today. This is the 3rd video. Go check out all those videos. Go enjoy those videos. And again, like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to drop a couple hype points in the cup if you can spare a couple. If you can't spare none, it's all good. I still love you, Werewolf Pack. Hopefully this chase was exciting and exhilarating as I thought it was. I thought it was wonderful. But with that being said, we're going to slide on up out of here. But before that, let me leave you with some positivity. Listen, you got to get that negativity up out your body. I don't care if you got to go in the dark corner and cry, go in the dark room and cry. Whatever it takes, you got to get it out of you. You can't keep letting that stuff build up inside of you. Listen to me, man. We take a lot. And I'm not just talking about men. I'm talking about women and men. It's some of us take a lot and hold in a lot. Sometimes it's too much. Sometimes you just gotta go take a good cry. It's okay to cry. Whoever told you that it's not cool to cry as a man, don't listen to that person. It's cool to cry, man. Go on, like I said, dark room, a corner, whatever it takes. Go in the car, scream, whatever it takes. You got to get some of that out. You can't keep holding all that in. You can't keep that stuff bottled in because it'll end up taking you to a place where you don't need to go. Get it out your body. Get that negativity out your body. I know the world is not fair. It's hard out here. Listen, I know it's hard. Trust me. I just don't want you to give up. I just don't want you out there just thinking like it's nothing for you, because it is something for you. You just got to get that out. Get it out your system. Whatever it takes. Nobody looking down on. I ain't looking down on you. Ain't nobody looking down on you because you having a little bit of stress, having a hard time. Do whatever it takes to get that negativity out of you. You know what I'm saying? I love you. And with that being said, we do not condone running from the boys in blue. Absolutely not. But if you are going to be a diabolic and you're looking for a good vehicle to get busy with, you might want to get you a Like a Rock Chevy 2500.